Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Play balance to bank account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to transfer your Google Play balance to a bank account here and maybe use it in another way, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, first, let's go and answer or re-answer, is it actually possible? Now, according to Google, or in this case, according to what people are currently saying right now, especially for community members inside Google here in support.google.com, currently there is no way or option for us to transfer Google Play balances outside of our Google account. So meaning if you want to transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account, well, currently as of right now, with how Google is set up, it's not yet possible. So Google has not implemented any system that allows you to do so. So if you already claimed or already got or you receive your Google Play balance or redeemed your Google Play balance, well, you won't be able to transfer those funds. Now, you can still use it inside Google's ecosystem. So usually that's inside Google Play Store and make purchases. Now, currently, that's the case right now with Google. Even though if you try contacting support online, you won't be able, or you're still going to get the same answer here. So as of right now, it's not yet possible, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.